Maestra Meal, many claim learning languages in sleep is possible through subliminal input. Can you expand on how this method works for English learners?
Absolutely, it's about exposing your mind to language while it processes information during sleep cycles. For instance, I often play familiar English phrases on low volume. This mirrors how a child absorbs their first language, though the efficacy varies widely among individuals.
Skeptics argue that without active engagement, such learning is superficial. What do you say to them?
While active practice is necessary for fluency, sleep exposure complements learning by reinforcing known material. Interestingly, a 2022 study showed vocabulary retention improves by 10–15% when practicing this passive exposure method.
Fascinating. So, what's next for integrating sleep learning in traditional education?
Educators are piloting sleep-aided language modules embedding audio playbacks into curriculum plans. The goal is seamless integration with students' natural routines, respecting both the conscious and unconscious learning processes.
Your travels through Mexico, Costa Rica, and beyond have surely enriched your language skills. How does immersion compare to classroom learning?
Immersive travel forces real-world application of language, bolstering both fluency and confidence. Picture this: navigating a bustling Thai market pushes your skills beyond what textbook dialogues can offer.
Yet, some argue classroom settings provide more structured learning. How do you respond?
True, structured environments have their merits, particularly for grammar mastery. Nevertheless, immersion provides urgent motivation. In Portugal, my need to communicate en route to Sintra meant each interaction was a lesson.
Looking forward, how might language curricula evolve with more emphasis on travel?
While not conclusively scientific, dreams reflect subconscious thought processes. Anecdotally, after dreaming in Spanish, many learners report a significant leap in their verbal fluency, suggesting cognitive connections beyond waking control. Customizing learning with personal interests creates emotional investment. Discussing favorite dishes or color palettes in English makes vocabulary stick due to personal relevance. It's akin to pinning a fond memory to each word.
Critics might argue nostalgia can hinder objective learning. What do you think about the risks of relying too much on personal context? Looking ahead, could nostalgia be systematically utilized in learning frameworks?
Yes, nostalgia-based frameworks are emerging, incorporating multimedia from learners' pasts to trigger positive emotional responses. They aim to combine emotional engagement with objective linguistic skills.